What's up, guys? Arif here, and today we're doing an unboxing because these pieces of garbage that I bought on Amazon Prime Day back in 2019 died almost immediately, like 3 weeks after I got them. They won't charge anymore. It's just awful. They even had connectivity issues. So I decided, with the gyms reopening, there we go. With the gyms reopening, we are going to buy a new pair. And after a little bit of research, I have decided to go with the JBL Endurance Race wireless headset. So let's crack this thing open and see what you get for, well, $70, which seemed like a very good deal compared to the cost of a lot of the other ones. So let's crack it open and find out. Like I said, these were 70 bucks Canadian, so you can probably get them for a lot cheaper. And I wanted to get the blues, but unfortunately, that was just not in the cards at the Best Buy I was at, and did not want to wait for Amazon, which now in hindsight seems kind of stupid because my gym's already closed and I can't go to the gym right now. Either way, these use Bluetooth 5.2, and you're supposed to get 10 hours of life on a battery, and then the case is supposed to charge another 20 hours, so you're supposed to get 30 hours of life before you have to charge both the headphones and the case. I've heard that you can't charge the headphones while the case is charging. We'll see that when the review comes around. And according to the box, it's supposed to be Alexa built in and Google built in. That's pretty cool. I purposely tried to only do a little bit of research, but not so much that my opinion would actually be like tainted coming in. I kind of just want to know what the connectivity was like, because like I said, these trash heaps could barely connect to a phone. Either way, let's start cracking this thing open and seeing what is up. There she is. There it is. Okay. So taking it out of the package. What do we have here? We have a whole bunch of different size silicone tips, which is really cool. We have whatever the hell these are. I think the manual will describe it. And then we have the case. That's good. Case is nice and small. Matte finish, which is great. I'm not a big stickler for fingerprints. I really don't care. But I know some of you all are just like retarded about it. Then we have the actual earphones, and these look and feel pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah. I like this. Now, obviously, I'll do more in the review when I do the form and fit. But just at first glance, these feel quality. These don't feel as cheap as these little units over here. Like, something about these just feels like a toy, but the other ones feel like really, really premium. Let's see, do these magnetically snap in? Oh, nice. You even have a little LED indicator, and I assume it's not faded. I assume that's telling you what the charge is. Yeah, that's telling you 50% charge. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. What are these? I think these are another type of ear protector. What are they? Product registration. Tech specs. Here we go. So we have Bluetooth connecting, Bluetooth connected. Okay, we have different symbols. I was right. The light on the charge is not faded. That is telling you what it's at. Charging. Can't get it. Okay. So case is there. Power and connect. First time use. Where's like what's in the bloody box? Small, medium, and large. Oh, so I guess these are the large. Right? Is that what they are? Hello. Quick correction. I looked into it after I finished recording the videos. These two top things are called audio enhancers. No idea how that's supposed to work, but it also does come with a USB cable. I literally did not flip the packet over far enough to see it because it is really small, but yes, there is a USB cable included, and these are audio enhancers. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. An earpiece of some variety. So I guess these must be the medium ones attached. Yeah, these must be the medium because these look like large. So I don't know what these things are though. Like, I genuinely do not know what they are. And look, they even say small, large, but they don't tell you what it is. They just say small and large. And of course there's an app for this goddamn headset. Of course there is. God forbid I not be inconvenienced with a stupid app. Yeah, that's the unboxing of the JBL Endurance Race Bluetooth wireless headphones. Can't wait to start using these literally tomorrow and see how they go. But other than that, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I've been Arif. This has been an unboxing, and I just noticed this is USB-C, but they literally do not include a cable. That's a choice. That is a choice. But yeah, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Hit the sub button if you like this video, if you want to see more, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye. Neat. Cool. What are you?